Welcome to this lesson on transverse waves. In this video, we'll explore one of the most fundamental types of waves in physics, transverse waves. These waves are all around us, from the light that allows us to see, to the ripples on a pond, to the vibrations of a guitar string. Understanding how transverse waves work is essential to understanding wave motion in general. A transverse wave is defined as a wave in which particles of the medium oscillate perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. Let's break this down. The word perpendicular means at a right angle or 90 degrees. So while the wave itself travels in one direction, the particles that make up the medium move up and down, or side to side, at a right angle to that direction. This perpendicular relationship is the defining characteristic of transverse waves. Here's the key concept to understand. Wave propagation moves in one direction, shown horizontally. Particle oscillation, however, occurs perpendicular to this direction, moving vertically up and down. The perpendicular symbol represents this 90-degree relationship between these two motions. Think of it this way: the energy travels forward, but the particles themselves don't travel forward with the wave. Instead, they vibrate in place, moving perpendicular to the direction the energy is traveling. Let's visualize how a transverse wave actually looks. Imagine a wave traveling from left to right. The particles in the medium move up and down as the wave passes through. Notice how the wave has a distinctive shape with high points and low points. The particles oscillate vertically while the wave energy propagates horizontally. This creates the characteristic wave pattern we associate with transverse waves. The arrows show that while particles move perpendicular to the wave direction, the overall wave continues to travel forward, transferring energy through the medium. Transverse waves appear in many forms in nature and technology. Light waves are electromagnetic radiation and are transverse in nature. Water waves on the surface create ripples where water particles move up and down. String vibrations on musical instruments like guitars produce transverse waves. And S waves, or secondary waves, are seismic transverse waves that occur during earthquakes. Each of these examples demonstrates the same principle: motion perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. Transverse waves have several important characteristics. First, particles move up and down perpendicular to wave motion. Second, energy travels horizontally even though particles don't move horizontally with the wave. Third, transverse waves can be polarized, meaning their oscillations can be restricted to a single plane. This is a unique property that only transverse waves possess. And fourth, transverse waves have crests and troughs, the high and low points of the wave pattern. These characteristics help us identify and understand transverse waves in different contexts. The most important thing to remember about transverse waves is this: the motion of particles is perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. This perpendicular relationship is what makes transverse waves unique and distinguishes them from other types of waves. Keep this fundamental principle in mind as you continue to study wave physics.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.